Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning out the month of February in my MāksëLife vertical planner. Obviously this is the month view. I'm going to be trying out something new from Chrissy Designs. She recently launched a floral design of monthly kits that first of all come in a variety of sets for different types of planners. So yes, there was definitely a 7x9 MāksëLife option. So that's the one that I went with, but you could also order ahead for the rest of the year. And I did about 6 months worth, and I'm kind of excited to just jump into this because it's just awesome. Now that I don't have to stress out about month views in my planner for like at least the next 6 months, that is totally great. And now that I have my Chrissy Design Celebrations collection, I can start adding some of these stickers from this collection into this planner. So let's go ahead and get started. I actually don't have a lot planned for the month of February, but I still love decorating my month view. There's just something about it. And she lets you pick your view option. So I chose a Monday start. I think you only have the option of Monday through Sunday, but that's fine. Or Monday start or Sunday start. And oh my gosh, that is like the perfect fit. I just can't put anything down straight. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So we are planning the month of February, but I also have to look at my calendar while I'm doing this since I'm going to be changing the dates around. It's actually easier to do this in an undated planner, I personally think, than it is in a dated planner, simply because in a dated planner you probably have a whole lot of dates and things that you want to cover up, and you don't have to worry about that with this planner, or with these kits and this planner. So I thought that there was going to be like a this month sticker type of thing here, but I guess not. That is totally okay. What I'm going to do is use one of these little strips right here to kind of create like a little decorative divider. I hope. I have all kinds of exciting ideas. Let's see if they actually work out. I'm going to grab my little cutter here so that I can cut this. I have been filming a couple of things today and I've had numerous technical issues. It's kind of terrifying. Like when you're used to making quite a bit of content, I was like, oh my gosh, this is not happening. And of course it was happening. So I'm kind of using a backup SD card right now. I typically use something that is much larger. However, mine just up and died on me. It actually broke off inside of my camera, and if you would have heard like the gasp that came out of me, you would have been like, oh my god, is she okay? So we're gonna jump right in here, and I think I'm gonna use the Celebrate sticker because I want to put birthdays on this part of the planner, and I'm going to use some pink balloons. I realize you can't see exactly what I'm doing over here. Maybe just one pink balloon. I think that this is going to be cute. I have been off my game with birthdays, that is for sure. So this is kind of nice to get this back into the planner. And then what's fun is let's go to the actual holidays, and let's see. There's the Happy Valentine's Day sticker. And I wanted to put like what the months were. So obviously February is Black History Month, and it is also Big for Family Fun Month. And I'm just gonna put those over here, and I'm gonna kind of create another little divider. And I already can kind of figure out for myself like how I want to do this differently for next month. But this is pretty neat. I love Chrissy Designs kits already, so now that she has offered this option, I'm just like, oh man. And I know not every shop can do this. Hang on, I've got stickers everywhere. But it would be awesome for the monthly kits, because a lot of times by the time they're released and then you add in, you know, what your budget can handle, like you can't order in that short like turnaround, you know, and they might not be able to get it to you on time. So this is just a great option. So I put those two holidays right there. Absolutely love that. All right, let's grab the tweezers because I'm definitely going to need that. So February 1st is on a Tuesday. And I'm just going to get all of these dates on here. Okay, so I'm back literally a half an hour later because my battery died. I'm having one technical issue after another, and it has just been like, I'm so done. I'm so freaking done. So I was kind of thinking what I should do to cover up these empty spots right here, but I'm also thinking they don't need to be covered. I don't know. I don't know if it's something that you guys would cover, but I don't think I'm going to do it. So I've got my Micro Perm 03. I think this one is actually directly from Chrissy Designs, but the little thing that she had put on there has already come off. But I need to put down paydays. I love using the Micro Perm to write on her stickers. They just work so well. So our paydays are pretty much every Thursday. Well, mine and Chessie's alternate on Thursday. So I'm going to write those. Writes like butter on this paper. And then I want to make sure I put down my YouTube payday and things like that. A lot of the focus this month will be on prepping for Go Wild, so I will need to, I've obviously already been budgeting for that trip. Like I also recently just bought my plane tickets. Normally I would not wait so long, but you know, the things being as they were with the world, I was just like, oh my God, do I buy them? Are things changing? And I think we're good to go with going forward with that. So purchased mine. I know a lot of people recently just purchased theirs as well, and I'm super excited. But I have like a list of things that I'll need to like either make sure I have organized or purchase for the trip. So that'll be a big focus this month. All right, tweezers are coming in handy. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you just gotta like flip them around, especially if you've got the ones that have the bend in them. You've just got to kind of, you know, get it to work for you. So there's those paydays, and then I will need one for YouTube, which will actually fall on Monday, I think. That sticker didn't go all the way down. In the middle of putting my date covers down, I always somehow miss one of the Thursdays. So I don't know if you saw in my sped up portion of this video, but I had to like go back and move some of them back to where they needed to go. Happens every single time when I'm putting down date covers in the month view. Now, I've seen a lot of people specifically in the Chrissy Designs community use the monthly view more like a journal. I forget the term that they used, but basically you're using all of your like Chrissy Designs samplers to like write like a little blurb about the day. And I actually kind of like that because I don't have younger kids. So I don't have to write all of these practices, anything like that. I really don't like doing my meal planning over here. And actually this month we don't have any like doctor's appointments or anything like that. Nathan, I think, has to schedule his orthodontist appointment still, so I don't even have a date for that. So before I jump into the like wacky holidays and stuff, I'm going to write in the birthdays over here. All right, birthdays are in. I love that, love that. And hopefully I will remember to come back to this so that I can use it as a little reminder to wish them a happy birthday. All right, let's jump into the wacky holidays because these are just some of my favorite. If you guys want to go back and check out my video for the 2022 Chrissy Designs Celebrations collection, that is up on my channel. Love, love, love this Celebrations collection and some of the changes that they made for this year. So the first is Lunar New Year. Now I don't put down every single holiday. I really don't. Sometimes I just don't have the space for it. Let's see. Let's put down, oh, we already have a holiday for the first. So there's another holiday on the first, but I don't have space for it. Let's do Groundhog Day for the second. And I can always put the other holidays in like my A5 if I wanted to. So that's kind of cool. Oh, the third is Women Physicians Day. Very cool. The 5th is Ice Cream for Breakfast. Is it really only on the 5th of February? We sure about that? Oh my gosh. All right, let's flip to the next page. The 7th is Periodic Table Day. Love that sticker. Last month I was a little concerned about only putting those that matched the kit that I was using, and now I'm just like, okay, we're not even worrying about that. Ooh, the 9th is pizza day. Gonna have to adjust my meal plan for that. Love that. The 10th is umbrella day. I feel like it's always umbrella day here. I have like umbrellas everywhere. It's very rainy here. All right, the 11th is Women's and Girls in Science Day. Had no idea that that was a day. That's awesome. And then the 13th is Tortellini Day. Again, may have to adjust our meal plan. Oh, these are so freaking cute. All right, and obviously the 14th is Valentine's Day, and I love that there is an additional Valentine's Day sticker in this kit, or in the Celebrations Collection binder, so that's awesome. All right, and the 15th is Gumdrop Day. I feel like there's more holidays than what was in the previous Celebrations Collection. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. All right, the 16th is Almond Day. I mean, I love almond milk. I don't really like almonds. Every now and then I'll eat almonds. They're not my favorite. Anyway, the 18th is Drink Wine Day. Yes, please. I will be participating in that one. The 19th is Tug of War Day. Okay. Had no idea. Again. The 20th is Love Your Pet Day. That is cool. That is cool. I mean, I love my pets every day, but they get their own day there. And the 21st is President's Day. Is that even, I don't even think that's a day off from work kind of holiday. Ugh, that's kind of messed up. Okay. And then Banana Bread Day is on the 23rd. Love banana bread. Love it a little too much. The 27th is Polar Bear Day. Oh, that's way over here. Okay. I love the amount of holidays that she includes and that they are inclusive all around. So that's kind of awesome. And now I might use these January ones. I might fix my January layout. We'll see. Anyway, because I didn't have this binder for my January layout. So I really like the way that this came out, and I may go ahead and take the jump into kind of doing a memory keeping / just spread where it's just kind of like fun to look at. It may not be very functional. It's more fun than functional, but I think it's going to turn out awesome. All right, guys, that is it for this month's monthly plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.